Hey everyone, quick update tutorials. Let's refresh your channel look. Go to your YouTube studio. Now go to your channel and now you will see an option called edit channel. Just tap on here and now you can see you have an option to change your title, handle, name, banner and profile picture. Now just tap on profile picture here. Now choose from your gallery whatever you want to save and that's it. Now you can able to change your profile picture and same like that you just have to tap on the banner icon and now choose from your YouTube photos and now here you'll see you can easily able to save a new banner for your YouTube channel and that's it. Make sure both look clean and represents your vibe. A good banner gives people a reason to stay. Trust me, first impression matters, even on YouTube. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.